Success doesn't begin with talent. It doesn't start with a dream. It starts with a decision to show up every single day and whether you feel like it or not. That decision is called discipline. We're told success is about motivation, about feeling inspired. But let me tell you something. Motivation fades. It disappears when things get hard. It vanishes when you're tired, rejected, or overwhelmed. But discipline stays. Discipline is doing what must be done, even when you don't want to. It's showing up early, staying late, saying no to distractions, saying yes to the grind, and doing it all over again, without applause, without recognition. It's the small, boring choices, repeated over time, that build greatness. One healthy meal, one focused hour, one disciplined day. You won't see the result right away, but it's compounding. And one day the world will call you an overnight success. But you'll know the truth. It wasn't overnight. It was every night. Discipline makes you unstoppable. When the world gets soft, you get sharper. When others quit, you push forward. Discipline is your edge, your armor. It turns chaos into clarity. It turns weakness into strength, and it turns dreams into reality. So don't wait for the perfect mood. Don't rely on motivation. Build your discipline. Because in the end, success doesn't belong to the talented. It belongs to the disciplined.